In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Gmail account from other devices using a quick and efficient method. Whether you're concerned about security or simply no longer have access to a device, this guide will ensure you're in control of where your Gmail account is signed in. Now let's get started and make sure your account is only where you want it to be. First, we need to navigate to your Google account settings. Open your preferred web browser and type in myaccount.google.com. Log in with the Gmail account you want to manage. This step is crucial because you need access to your main account dashboard to proceed with managing devices. Once you're in your Google account, look to the left side of the screen and find the menu options. Here, you'll want to click on Security. This section manages how your account is accessed and where it's active, making it the perfect place to control device sign-ins. As you scroll down the security page, you will find a section titled Your Devices. Underneath that, you should see a button that says Manage Devices. Click on it and it will bring up a list of all the devices where your Gmail account is currently signed in. This list is incredibly useful for seeing exactly where your account is active, be it your phone, tablet, or other devices you may have forgotten about. Now here's where we start removing your Gmail account from devices you no longer use or trust. Look through the list of devices. Next to each device, you will notice a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu, represented by the symbol. Click on this menu on the device you'd like to remove. After opening up that menu, you'll see the option to sign out. Go ahead and select that option. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Confirming will ensure the device is immediately signed out of your Gmail account. This step is an excellent security measure because it stops that device from being able to access your Gmail inbox or account settings. Once confirmed, your Gmail account is removed from that device. It's always good practice to periodically check the devices that are logged into your account. By regularly managing your account sign-ins, you not only keep it secure, but also avoid potential privacy concerns. This method provides a quick way to log out remotely from devices you no longer trust or use. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you're back in control of where your Gmail account is accessed. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to effectively manage your device sign-ins through Google. Be sure to stay safe online and regularly check in on your account's security settings.